What is up, guys? Welcome back. As you can see, your boy's downtown in front of the graveyard of Barney's. I'm going to do a little quick check at Bergdorf real quick. If I have to be completely honest, I was already in the men's store. Had to run in there real quick, or I had to drop a number 2. But now I'm heading back to the women's store because I want to go see if they have the earrings that I wanted. And for some reason, Bergdorf, the women's side, is the only spot that I can locate these earrings at. And I'm hoping that they have them, and I'm hoping that you guys can hear me through my mask. So when I went into the men's store, it was pretty much like protocol. When you go in, you have to like give your name, give your phone number. They get you a sales associate, and basically sales associate will come and meet up with you, ask you what it is that you're looking for, and then walk you through the store, which is cool. It's just way different from how it used to be, where we have the leisure of just walking into these department stores and kind of shopping freely. But I get it, they're short staffed, they don't really want anybody going in and trying to steal anything or just kind of roaming the store unnecessarily. So that was the experience so far, but I'm gonna go back to the women's side of Bergdorf and see if they got these earrings that I want, so stay tuned. So as you guys can see, New York, for the most part, is still outside. It is outside the Apple store, Bergdorf, Women's Bergdorf. That over there is one of these famous hotels in a little park. For the most part, everybody's pretty much outside, masked up, so hasn't been too bad, but still keep your mask on, people. So I'm in Women's Bergdorf now. I want to see if they have the earring that I want. But for the most part, it's just pretty empty. But protocol, same as men's store, very lenient. I'm looking for Anita Ko, the brand, Anita Ko.
What's that?
It's like earrings. Straight? Thank you. Alright guys, I'm gonna go check.
You can do it just like this.
So they do have the Anita Ko earrings that I want. Thank you. So I want to see this guy and that one.
You want to take it out?
Do you have it for the left ear? That's for the left ear, right?
Those are actually for
the right ear?
Left.
For left.
Left, right.
Do you have alcohol pads so I could try this one out? So this is what the yellow gold one looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. Pardon my mask. That's the one I'm looking at right now. And then these are the rest of them. I think I want to get yellow and rose, since you guys saw that I have the white gold one already. I'll move this out. Alright guys, so I just finished up at Bergdorf. As you see, those were the earrings that I was looking at, the Anita Ko safety pin pave set earrings. I'm still kind of trying to figure out which are the ones that I exactly want. If I want to go with the yellow gold and the rose gold, or if I just want to go with the yellow. Nonetheless, the woman that helped me out was amazing. Customer service was outstanding. She let me try everything on at ease. She didn't really like give me any sort of issue, and she was just really polite. She was just an amazing woman, so shout outs to her. She'll definitely get the sale when I go back. So I'm gonna head to the car now, and then you'll see me when I turn my camera back on. Alright guys, so I forgot to kind of give you a rundown of what I was wearing when I was recording earlier. So right now I'm wearing an Oriole wants to play. And a little bit dude. Alright, so right now I'm wearing a Save Khaki United crew neck in oatmeal colorway. Kind of fits a little bit more on the relaxed fitting side, a little bit oversized, but it's still, you know, it's a little bit loose, but I kind of like it. drapes a little bit, you know, cozy vibes because today's kind of like muggy, rainy. It was a little bit breezier earlier, but just wanted this kind of vibe today. Underneath, I'm wearing a white Gildan tank top because I was working out and then I had to head out and do errands. As far as the legs go, I'm wearing RRL camo cargo pants, and I'll give you guys another view of them when I turn the camera. And then I'm wearing my Salomon XT Wing 2 sneakers in the aluminum colorway. Just going for a more at leisure fit today. And since you know, weather's kind of crappy, just wanted to be very cozy and at ease. Oh, and I'm wearing the Row Oliver People sunglasses in the rose, I think they're called dust rose, something like that. Rose colorway, rose translucent. So one of my favorites, easy, completes my outfit. My little bracelet that I've been wearing, had this for like 10 years. The Ecrou, that's my fit today. I'll show you guys the legs. This angle, Ariel's chilling right there. So camo cargos. I think this is like out of all the camouflage cargos that I've tried on and looked at, this is probably my favorite pair, just because the cargo pant material is so like sturdy. Like I found other pairs that it just feels like too thin, and then the fit is like super wide, but this pair it's definitely on the more relaxed side, but it's still slimmer than most. As you guys can see, it kind of follows my leg a little bit better. It has some drawstrings at the bottom so I could cinch it, so it kind of sits on top of my sneakers or my boots, depending on what I'm wearing that day. But yeah, definitely check out RRL. Their cargos are amazing. I love them. I actually want to pick up a black pair soon before they sell out, so definitely check out RRL Ralph Lauren. Oreo, say hi. That's Oreo saying hi to you guys. He's giving you the nose. There you go. All right, bye. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's a new day. I'm refreshed after a fun weekend with some friends, having some drinks, kicking back, and chillaxing. So today I gotta run some errands actually. I'm gonna shoot over first because if you guys have been following, you guys know that I used to have a Mercedes-Benz and actually have some parts and rims, AMG rims that were for the car that I had taken off, and I had put on more like modern S63 AMG rims onto my older car because it kind of just spiced it up a little bit. But anyways, the original AMGs that it came on I still have, and I want to sell them just to kind of get some extra cash in my pocket and clear up some space in the house. So I'm going to shoot over to where I actually have them stored at and take some pictures of them and try to get them sold. And then I have some other errands to run, and I'll take you guys along for the ride. And to touch on what I'm wearing today, because I know a lot of you guys like to ask, I'm wearing my MoMa exclusive Yankees cap in black colorway. Bought this a while ago, and Amber stole it, and now I have it back. I'm wearing this t-shirt's actually kind of old, but it's like one of my favorites from Save Khaki. I don't know if they still do this. It's called the Beach Tee, and this is in the navy colorway, and it's cool because it has the raw hem edge on the sleeve. So for anything that is not still available, I'll try to link in the description box below something that's very similar from the same brand, because I know a lot of you guys like to go out and try to find the same pieces. But yeah, I'm gonna try to hunt everything down to a T so you guys can find them online easier. So I'm gonna head out and get these errands started, and we'll check back in when I turn the camera back on. So let's get it. Alright guys, so I finished all my errands. I was able to photograph everything that I needed to take pictures of to sell online. Went and had a coffee and walked Oreo. I still have to work out, so I'm probably gonna do that after I finish up this vlog. But just to touch base about the Anita Ko earrings, I'm still on the fence of which ones I actually want, but I will do a vlog on the unboxing of which one or which ones I get when I get them. so that will be probably a vlog or two from now. But I do want to talk about something that I recently picked up, since we are going into the fall weather and it's getting a little bit breezier. So let's get into that right now. So my CELINE SA luckily messaged me a few days ago and let me know that the piece that I wanted, they had one left in my size and that it was on sale. So shout outs to you, I appreciate you as always. So I shot down to the store to pick it up, so I'm going to show you guys it right now. So this is the CELINE Teddy cardigan. So it's a blend of cashmere and lana wool, so it's very soft. I ended up going with a size large in this piece. I like that. I'm going to try it on so you guys can see how it looks, even though this isn't really the outfit that I would wear with, but I think it would still kind of look alright. This piece does run how I love. It kind of just hits right at the waist. The arms are, they're not super tapered, but it does hit right at my wrist over here, so it's the perfect size. But it's comfortable but still form-fitting, so I'm gonna throw it on for you guys quick, even though this isn't the fit that I would typically do it with, nor in this weather, because right now New York has had like crazy odd weather. It's been going from like chilly nights or chilly mornings, and then it just goes extremely hot in the afternoons or in the morning sometimes also. So definitely saving this for one of those days. My birthday's coming up, so maybe I'll break it out on my birthday or for something else. Absolutely love this. I feel like it's one of the better pieces that have come out of the CELINE line so far, and I just feel like it's gonna be one of those iconic classic pieces that down the road people are gonna really wish that they picked up. So that is my latest pickup from CELINE, guys. Show you a little bit more of the details. The gold buttons over here, and it also has, it's popping in, the gold buttons up top as well. I love it. I think it's sick and go good with the boots, and yeah, I think it's a sick new piece that I can add to my collection. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cap this video off pretty much here. I don't know if you guys saw on the community board, I know some of you did see it. I did the question mark out of all my boots, so I just want to let you guys know that the boot collection video is on the way. It's probably one of the most anticipated and one of the videos that I personally have been very excited to film for you guys. So I'm just waiting. I'm trying to get a mic so I can clip it here before I film that vlog for you guys, because I don't want you guys hearing every bird and their mama in the neighborhood chirping as some of my previous videos, just so you guys can get the best quality in the video. So I'm just waiting on that mic to arrive so I could start filming that video, but it is definitely on the way. It's definitely going to be a lengthy video, but it's going to be a really good video, so definitely stay tuned to that. And yeah, we have a bunch of other content and surprises coming, and we're almost at 50 videos, guys. So just want to say thank you to everybody who has been along for the ride from day one. We're gonna keep this going strong. We're also almost at 2,000 subscribers, so I want to say thank you to all of you guys. And let's see, maybe at if we hit 2,000 subs by 50 videos, maybe I'll figure out if I could do another small giveaway or something. But yeah, let's see how it goes. So as always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Ariel.Rosado29, and stay tuned to all the vlogs we got coming soon. So stay safe. See you in the next one, guys. Later.